Good morning, Frogstooth group. I'm Susie Berry. I will be escorting your group in 2 weeks to Budapest all the way to Munich, and some of you are continuing to Prague for 3 nights. Some people have been asking what to pack, how to pack, so here's my video. So all my travel, especially if I'm escorting a group, I like to be comfortable. So during the day, I try to wear pants like these. These looks like actually like capris, but they're very breathable. I usually get them either from Columbia or any of these stores that you like to shop at, but they're very comfortable. I usually take about 4 or 5 pants with me because I can wear them again. They're very breathable. The shirts, I like to take long sleeve shirts and also sleeveless or short sleeve shirts. They are also, again, very breathable. If you get hot, if it's raining, it dries really fast. Again, I take, like, maybe if I'm going for a 10-day trip, I take about 7 shirts and maybe 6 pants. Shoes, it's very important. So definitely we need a good walking shoes. And when you're on the ship or at the hotel, you might need something, to put slippers on. For the ladies, high heels, I don't know if you want to take high heels with you. You can for the evening if you want to do that, but it's not required. At night, I like to wear something nice. So I usually take dresses because I'm thinking, you know what, this will do the top and the bottom. I don't have to worry about like pants and a top and other pants and a top or a skirt and a top. So I like to take dresses with me. So take a couple of dresses for the evening. Rain jacket, definitely a rain jacket just in case it rains, and then it covers, it gives you some warmth if it's cold. And of course, we don't want to forget our vest, our Frogstooth vest. I'm loving this vest, so make sure you take that along. And if you can wear it while you're traveling or on our tours, that would be great. We need a group picture with all of us with this vest. We can't forget our medications. Definitely take your medications that you take daily. Plus, if you would like to take vitamins or any of the off-the-shelf medicine like Advil, Tylenol. I usually take a lot with me, these immune system, like emergency. I take a lot of this with me just in case, I feel sick and I need some boost. I do that. Take Band-Aids with you, take Neosporin, anything that you're used to and you don't want to be out of, and because, you don't have time to go find a pharmacy if you get sick. And usually I take a lot with me, so if anybody needs something, I usually have it. Bags, pods, whatever you call them. Usually I got these from Amazon. I like to pack everything in them, that way everything in one place. I pack the pants in one, I pack the shirts in one, I pack the evening wear in another one, the shoes. I usually put the shoes in this one, actually. This is for the shoes. So that way you can organize your suitcase and not have all your clothes all over the place inside the bag. See you in 2 weeks.